It has arrived. No one can help us now. We fall, melting into the wings of air. Who told you it would stop? The pin of light is straggling through a library. Books falling from the shelves as we pass through life. Mind your head, that hair can be repaired. We have broken down on the highway. Where were you trying to go? Screaming in silence, never to be seen. Her soul was written in her face. No one can hold her for long. Her wings open like a love letter. Her perfume laid between the lines. You could crush her like a butterfly, keeping her body in a glass case, but her sad eyes would dry up. Tears are falling inside, like a water leak. Why did you leave the top line? A breakup without a past union, and now you stand in this rain inside, alone together. It is what it is, a pink whale waiting for the bus to go home from work. The grey air has arrived on time to wait with him, the bells play in the background. And the same old lady passes, slowly, looking as if she lost something. The whale coughs and looks up to the sky, but no light is looking back. His back is heavy with books he never reads, but feel comfort in carrying around with him. They represent something which reminds him of something. Being pink isn't always easy. Today, I left the radio on in the kitchen. The TV in the corridor is playing Up the World, and I'm sitting in my room, listening to loud music. My house is filled up with noise, an attempt to drown my headache and the small town outside. Crazy people in films always seem to have all their entertainment devices running, whilst moulding into the corner of a one-bedroom flat. It feels like someone is there. Maybe it makes me feel alone and not lonely. Kings and queens are still alive. I saw them yesterday on TV. The screen is telling me stories and fairy tales. I haven't chosen what to believe. Too much choice. It's raining in my hands. My eyes turn to clouds. The cats of my mother's partner challenge my health. I'm struggling to carry my luggage. The train runs on time. I'm waiting. He's not ugly, but his suggestion of philosophy is, this is what makes me uncomfortable when I feel guilt. I like to shake his politics out of his brain and burn it like a book. I cannot do it, or it turns me into him. When you wait, time distorts itself and minutes become long-lasting moments, like the everlasting summer afternoon of our childhood, waiting to go home.